Hey guys, I wanted to show you something real quick. This is a 3D printed mask designed by something called the Billings Clinic. I am not super familiar with the Billings Clinic, but apparently they make medical devices and things like that. What's been happening is there's been such a high demand for surgical masks and for things along those lines that the places that produce these things aren't able to keep up. Um, Unfortunately, the way a lot of price control laws work, my understanding is that they're not able to just increase the price a little bit so people aren't ordering more than what they actually need and conserving what they have. So it means you have a huge demand and you can't change the prices. So one thing they've done is they've created these masks, and this one is printed out of a soft plastic called PLA. I actually, had this printed for myself. If you have a friend with a 3D printer, or if you yourself have access to a 3D printer, this is something you might want to look into. I'll put the links in the description box, or if you're watching this on Facebook, I'll put some links in the comments section. So what you do with this, or what I'm doing with this, is I'm going to take this and wear it on your face. There's little holes here for elastic bands, and what I am using right here is a coffee filter. The coffee filter is wrapped around a little insert, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So this is what it looks like. And with a coffee filter, it's actually quite easy to breathe. But the CDC on their website was talking about people using coffee filters to make a mask if you don't have access to a mask. So I said, okay, you know what? That's not a bad idea. This is something I can go with. And it kind of saves the really high-end medical grade surgical masks for people who are doctors and nurses, the people who are most likely to get the coronavirus from patients or to spread the coronavirus to other patients. But hey, if I'm just going to a grocery store, I think I'm doing pretty good here with a coffee filter and a mask that I printed myself. So if, and by the way, the support material also makes for a nice little mask caddy. Isn't that cool? So if this is something you think you'd be interested in doing, leave a comment in the description, or leave a comment in the comments section, or just read the description box or read my comments. Or if you're on Facebook, check out some of my other links on my Facebook page. And if you would like to check out some of my other content, I talk a lot about science and faith, and I talk about economics. And I also like to write science fiction. So anyway, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This is Greg, out.